Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial on creating text reveal animations in different styles. In the last video, we complete the first part of the content. If you haven't watched that yet, click the link in the top right corner to check that out before continuing with this video. Now, let's get started with the second part. Launch your software. Find the project file we saved from last time and double-click on it to enter the software interface. We start by dragging another letter image onto the video track. Adjust its duration. Then open the Transitions panel in the top left corner. Find the Fade to Black transition and drag it between the two letter image. Adjust the duration to make the transition between two styles more natural. Now, let's add a different animation for it. Click the motion icon in the toolbar. At the first frame, click Add Keyframe. The box is already small here, and thus we don't need to make any edits. Then, we move to the next frame and adjust the box to cover the entire screen. Continue moving the playhead to create a third keyframe without any adjustments. Move the playhead again and click Add Keyframe. Adjust the box to make the letter fly to the left. Don't forget to add a keyframe at the last frame to maintain the motion state. Let's preview the animation. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Next, we'll use Ctrl+C to copy it and paste it on the overlay track. Shorten the duration. Click the motion icon to enter the motion editor panel. Click the Reset button. At the first frame, create a keyframe. Adjust the box to cover the entire screen. Then, move to the next frame and adjust the box position to move the text to the lower left corner. Similarly, don't forget to add a keyframe at the last frame. Click Apply to apply the adjustments. Now, we go to the inspector and find the compositing area. Add a screen blend mode to achieve the desired effect. Now find the plus icon in the far left of the overlay track and click on it to add two new tracks. Drag this text image to the timeline. Align its start position after the animation of the letter V. In Inspector, go to the compositing area, add a screen blend mode, and adjust the height to fit to the screen. You can fine-tune the position based on the V letter's location. Now, we go to the Fade and Move section. Check the fading effect and adjust the duration using the slider. Remember this duration value. Preview the effect. It looks perfect. Next, drag the image to another empty overlay track, adjusting its duration to align with the previous image. Similarly, add a screen blend mode and adjust the size and position. In the Fade and Move section, enable the fading effect and input the same duration value. Now, the entire effect is complete. If you want your video to be more complete and immersive, you will need some sound effects and music. You can use whoosh sounds. film real rolling sounds, cutting sounds, or others. To do this, click the plus icon on the far left of the audio track to add blank tracks. Then drag these sound effects to a timeline, align them with the visuals. Afterward, go to the inspector and adjust the volume for each sound effect to complement the visuals. Finally, drag the music to an empty audio track. Use the split tool to add its duration to match your visuals, and add a fade effect in Inspector. After that, a dynamic text review animation with sound effects is created. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you have more topics you'd like to see, don't forget to leave us a comment down below and subscribe to our channel. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye-bye!